What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? What's poppin' YouTube? We're going to be doing a alopecia customized solution today. We're not even going to create an illusion because she has what? Alopecia totalis. There's 11 forms of alopecia. So this is going to give her hair loss over her whole entire head. There is no follicles. So we're doing a customized wig unit. We're doing two. Right now, I'm showing you on cam how I go about making a tape mold. Now, you can make a mold of different construction. You could do some molds with clay. You could do some that's a little bit more sturdy that you're going to be mailing off to your manufacturers. Yada, 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 all that good jazz. Well, she has a circumference of a 20.5. Tiny, tiny, cute little head for her little cute little face. And she was bold enough to bless us with, you know, letting it be what it is. She looks good without even no head, child. The conversation was real. I liked her immediately. Now, if you want an alopecia solution for your girl, Taneasha Hines, I advise you to please come with positive energy, okay? We do not do that foolishness, no negative vibrations up here in Posh Hair Designs. I'm in Alpharetta, Georgia, coming up May 5th. So we having a good old time, and I'm just showing you on cam some things that I kind of do behind the scenes. This is not a tutorial, okay? Some things are for the professionals. Go ahead and do your crochets and go ahead and do your knotless braids and knock yourself out, okay? Lead is for the people who know what they doing. Now, she been going to 4 or 5 different wig slayers out here in these streets. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and all that good jazz. And guess what? They been getting their wigs off Alibaba. They been getting their wigs from the vendor list. A whole Decepticon, as Shingenia said out here in these streets. She ain't never had a customized mold. Now, how the heck we ain't never do measurements? Measurements is cute. You know, you can fake it to a little bit. But a dome cap, you know, it don't make no sense if the canvas you use it ain't a different size. So we're using a 20 canvas to go ahead and create this illusion. Make sure you go on www.officialposhhair.com. You see the before. Had to clear my throat. You see that after, baby. You see that after, baby. You see that face, baby. Can you believe that hair transformation? That's why they go ahead and fly out to your girl, Taneasha Hines. This is why they got to come into the seats, because everybody got different areas of concern, and everything is customized up in Posh Hair Designs. Make sure you put yourself first. She wanted to go ahead and have a middle part, and she wanted to go ahead and have the Cleopatra bangs. You see that closure? Yeah, baby, we did a what? Real scalp realness, okay? This is where the big bucks is at. Customization. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I see you next week.